New State House Committee met for the first time today with the goal of finding better ways to support people accused of committing crimes who may be experiencing a mental health crisis.
Capitol reporter Dina Harley joins us now. Dina, this comes after the General Assembly passed Irina's Law.
Yeah, the law focuses on involuntary commitments for people struggling with their mental health and how the legal system can be better suited to treat those people.
A new House Select Committee meeting for the very first time on Thursday in North Carolina, tasked with finding and recommending ways to treat people who are accused of crimes while going through a mental health crisis.
It's an issue that has needed attention for a long time.
The committee is co-chaired by Representatives Hugh Blackwell and Timothy Reeder. House Speaker Destin Hall created the committee after the General Assembly passed Irina's Law back in October. It's meant to improve public safety by making sure potentially violent criminals aren't released from jail if they need mental health services.
We know that an overwhelming majority of people who suffer from mental illness are not involved in the criminal justice system, but there is a definite overlap in our jails and our prisons.
In their first meeting, committee members heard from experts and healthcare professionals on the challenges they face every day in treating people. Many of them say the legislature needs to find a way to make sure people suffering through a crisis actually get help when they're referred for an evaluation.
Many of those defendants never make it there for an examination. They could sit for months in a detention center, in a jail, awaiting transport to that 24-hour facility. But many of them don't go for a long, long time, if ever.
Lawmakers weighed in with suggestions, too. Some say they want families to have more rights over relatives who are mentally ill.
We have laws, we have statute in place, but there's a level of accountability that also needs to be placed with individuals in the community.
Committee members say they're fully committed to finding solutions, as they say keeping potentially violent people off the streets keeps everyone else safer.
We have a lot of work to do. The issue with solving our mental health crisis is not something that we're going to be able to do potentially in this committee, but we want to make some forward progress.
And again, that committee, brand new. They talked for about 3 hours today. Members also said they want to work very closely with law enforcement all across the state to see how their work can be supported and what they need every single day to keep North Carolinians safer. Russ and Angela.
It's a good conversation to be having right now. All right, Dina, thank you.